Ladies and gentlemen, please all come to the opening ceremony area. We'll soon start soon.
Jury, friends of Tornado class, allow me to welcome the first European Championship at the Lipno Lake, sponsored by Broker Consulting.
Tak přeju všem dobrý vítr a samozřejmě dobrý umístění.
Zlazíčka said he would like to welcome you all on behalf of his sailing club.
Fellow sailors, firstly I would like to present the members of the jury. This is our friend of the class, Erich Gerhard Michel from Austria. Marek Pavlovsky,
Czechia.
and Maria
Ivanovicko as the secretary of the class from Greece.
'47 European Championship to his own.
Cheers.
Můžete.
Jsou lidi zvyklí, jak to má kdo.